Every app you use, every game you play, every website you visit, someone built that. A person sitting at a keyboard, writing code. And that person? They started exactly where you are right now. Codend is a computer science school built specifically for students age 12 and up. We don't just teach you how to pass a test. We teach you how to think, how to build, and how to solve real problems with technology. We offer 2 courses: CS Level 1, your starting point. From understanding how computers work to writing your first Python program, and CS Level 2, where you go deeper: databases, web apps, machine learning, cybersecurity. Each course is project-based. You won't just read about code, you'll write it, break it, fix it, and build things you're actually proud of. Every chapter ends with something you made yourself. Whether you've never written a line of code in your life, or you already know the basics and want to go further, Codend was built for you. By the end of your journey with Codend, you'll have built games, websites, apps, and data tools. You'll have a GitHub portfolio. And you'll understand technology the way most adults never will. This is Codend. Ready to start? Your first lesson is waiting.